In this video, I'll show you how to add a new vehicle. Click on the menu. Click Add New Vehicle. Enter the car model. Select the vehicle type. Choose the fuel type. Select the transmission. Enter the license plate. Add the image URL. You can generate images URL online. Add the number of doors. Add the number of seats. Enter the daily rate. This is optional. Click Save to add the car. The vehicle has been added successfully. Here you can see your fleet. From here you can edit the cars. Click Save. In the next video, I'll show you how to add locations. Thank you for watching.